Hello everyone, I'm Alex Chen. So here is an introduction of the whiteboard, smart whiteboard. So I will introduce for 1, 2, 3, 4 the four part, and especially for the first part of the whiteboard for the function introduction and some tools and some showing that you can see what I do. Okay, follow me. So first one is a whiteboard. The whiteboard is in three parts. The three parts. The first one is setting, writing background, scan code, and about something else, the software. This second one is save and open files. The third one is sharing. About sharing, when you down at the writing, you can share. There will be a QR code. You can scan the code and share to your phone, your laptop, or something else, or somewhere else. Okay. The second part is write. We can use a pen like this. Pen is a magnetic pen. You can stitch on the back, the blanket, and you can see we can choose color, white, black. Yeah, we can choose color with each one you like, and we can choose a pen and a writing brush. Yeah, this is erase. This erase, and you can erase something else with your hand. And you can also select something, make it big with yours, like your phone. Yeah, it's very easy to use. And you can use a pen. Okay, you can also cancel and redo something. This is the first part. And you can also insert some table, graphic, image, documents, and multiple media, and some tools like a note. Yeah, create. It's there. And you can also have the voter. You can vote something for advanced. Make a code, scan the code, and set more options. And the other, after you save down, the other people can vote. And you can also quick file transfer. That's two part. And this third part is add to another page. Another page. Yeah, change color. Yeah, both hand can write, and you can choose the page. See, it's different. Choose page, and we can also provide some little tools, and we also have introductions. Introduction, store, cloud drive, browser, quick share, and some setting, just like Android iPad, And another quick more tools is timer, stopwatch, record. You can also record what you're doing and share. And freeze is a screen and crop. And split screen, into two side, left for showing, right for writing. And the camera, if you got a camera in at this place, you can take pictures. And then you can also pocket like water. Yeah. Okay, this tool, you can also transfer fast file transfer with a code and a calendar. This is a calendar and touch overlay. When you do not want to touch with your hand or somebody else touch, you can get a lock on it and a screen lock. Touch overlay, that's you can only use your pen, so no other move will do. So this is a brief introduction of this, and I will introduce to you the more functions in the next video. Thank you. Okay, I'm Alex Chen. So here is the second part of the instruction of the smart whiteboard. So here, first we will learn about something mark. You can mark any place, any screen. Just push this button and the pen. Push this pen, and it will exist to click to erase, animate. You can note any screen, and you can save and share. You can save and sharing the note, sharing speed the picture. Let me show you. You can scan the QR code, and after we are not at this screen, you see, if we are not at this screen, we want to make a note. Just pull this button. Yeah, we can note, and we can get a mark of any screen. And at this screen, at the welcome screen, we can also make a note and a mark. See, it's very easy to use. And you can also erase. Animate, export, and sharing. Yeah, it's very easy. Just generating is depending on your network. And also here is we want to introduce something about the whiteboard, more functions like the sitting, the writing. This is the most important. First of all, we can mutable writing. Mutable writing, you must open, and the two people can write. See my finger? Let me change the color. You can see clearly. Two part at the same time. Just two people write at the same time. You can see. This three. I can use four. You see, writing. And the second one is donor writing with you need to open with the head and the back, the leg is different color. You must change. See? Okay, about the one pen two color, we must use the sitting, open sitting writing, and do not color sitting writing open. Here is the thing. First, we use this head. Choose color. Yeah. And second, we use this head. Choose a color. So we can see. Yeah. One pen, two color. You can see. Just set the color. Choose the color with the head. Choose the color with the head. Yeah, that's simple. Okay, about the setting, the background, we can change color and the type. Like change the blue, the black, the white, any type. You can change. See, it's different. You can also change the custom picture. Like this one, replace. Yeah, that's it. You can also change your own custom pictures. And here is a file. You can save or open. You can save your whiteboard in the USB or somewhere else, or in the name whiteboard or something, and you can name it with PDF, PNG, and something note. Yeah, you can save. Okay. You can also open the last time you make or somebody else making. About the sharing, when you down the picture, you can share to the audience that they can see what you did and study. You can also make it big. So everybody can share, can scan the code to share this, to get this PDF or PNG or something that you made. But the most important is the writing. We need to understand that we can change many colors. We can change how big. We can change the pen. Yeah, we can change. And also we can erase with the pen or your bag. Yeah. Don't worry to make it broken or something. It's very easy. And we can also, if you make too much, you want to erase, just double and slide to click the whole page. And you can also erase in circle. For example, we can also erase in circle. Make a circle. Yeah, Jessica. That's erase. We can also select a part. Make it move. Use your 2 fingers. Make it big. Yeah, you can also move to somewhere else or copy. Yeah, that's very easy and beautiful play. That's writing, and we can cancel. And undo something or redo something. And here is insert. We can insert a table. Yeah, in the table we can write it. We choose the writing tool. We can write in the table. Yeah, you see. We can also select any part or the big part to move. Yeah, we can also change the color, each one's color. If you want to move the scene, move the whole, you want to choose the select. At the edge, you can see the blue edge. If you want to move inside, just select and yeah, you can move forward to the left. Okay, let's insert a table graphic. Choose a graphic. Yeah, the graphic and the image. If you got an image, you can insert an image. Open. Yeah, loading. Yeah, just showing in place. And you can also insert documents, multimedia, the same. So here is a part of the tools, that little tools. For example, note. We can choose the color, the note color. Yeah, do something. We can see. Yeah, we can write or type. If you don't want to type, just write. This is type. This is write. Yeah, you can erase and create. Create the note. Then under the note, choose the select, and you can move the note. Yeah, it's very easy to move. Easy to understand. And this is a voter. The voter, it becomes to very convenient tools that people want to vote. When the planner use his phone to scan the QR code to make some things, and use quick, set quick, and scan code to set more options. After more options, other people can vote with their own phone. No need to raise your hand. And I know there is always a way they want to file transfer. File transfer with the audience and the speaker, that we can click the tool and it comes to the file transfer. And that we can scan and upload files. Upload. Some like audience can scan the QR code and upload the files in the machine, in the screen, so anybody can share, anybody can see. So that's, for example, he thought in the phone and he get a picture and he scan the QR code and he can show his thoughts on the screen, so anybody can see it. It's very convenient. Hello, about the whiteboard, we got something to see. This one, add to the new page. This is add to a new page, and the private page. That's page 1, 2. There are 2 pages. You can choose. See, 1, 2, and you can get the next new page. Just private next, and see. It's very easy. And the most important, we need to use some little tools with this, and we can get a quick share. Quick share with you need to download an Android or iOS app. You can get wireless casting, scan the QR code, and download the apps. The apps is called Quick Share. Let me see. The app is called USB display, the blue one. And after we open this software, we can use this scan code. We can use to allow to use our phone, so we can scan the QR code. After it's collecting, we can show our phone. In the screen. This is a very big and nice function. Like this. Yes. No. Let's approve all these. We can start now. It's voting. You can see what I do on my phone. You can see. What I do on my phone, you can see the same. So you can the same screen. This is very convenient for the speaker and or something. Some audience they want to show their ideas. That's very convenient. You can see. Always no snow, no delay. That's very quick. That's for the showing. Okay, let's get to the second part, Finder. We can need that's our profile. You can know the storage, the USB and the cloud drive. You can see the things. You can also watch TV, see the videos with the USB. We can see the picture. It's uploading. We can see the picture. We can also see the videos.
Previously on SWAT.
How's your mom doing?
Good. Transplant took. She's out of prison too. Living at the halfway house.
Thanks for asking. 20 SWAT might not be reforming.
What's Honda got to say about this?
Where is he?
You can also view like your phone, because an Android system, so you can view all the things that you can use on the phone. That's very simple. And the third one is quick share or screen share that we mentioned at the last time. So scan the QR code, download the apps, PC, Mac, Android, iOS. It all can be collected. Okay, just a phone download, and if you have Apple, you can choose the AirPlay, select the AirPlay to injection. No need to download the apps like Android. And you can also use USB type HDMI or share the button, the share equipment, wireless share. Yeah, it's very easy. The last one is a browser. Browser, like I said, it's an iPad. It's an iPad Android, like your phone, so it can surf the internet after you click. When you open this, we can see you can use this to surf the internet. Yeah, just like your phone, bigger touch screen, big iPad that we can see. Yeah, it's very convenient for the audience and for the speaker.